Hi everyone, if you're watching this video, most probably you have your own YouTube channel and you want to know how to create a good intro for your channel. A good decision, guys. A good short intro with your channel name, your logo, and some visuals on your content and a good background music can create a brand image for your videos. So today we will learn how to create a great intro using Canva from your phone, all for free. It also has a paid feature, but the free version has plenty of graphics, design templates, and effects that you can choose from. Trust me, guys, it is very simple. You don't need to have any technical skills to use this online tool. After you watch this video, you will be able to work your imagination through and make videos, thumbnails, channel banners, end screen, or whatever you want to create for your social media accounts. Go to canva.com on your phone browser, or you can download Canva app from App Store. So once you're in, click the menu, which is the three lines on the top right corner. So once you're in the menu, you can see sign up and log in at the very bottom of the menu. And click sign up if you do not have an account. You can sign up with your email. Follow the instructions on the screen, and once you're done signing up, you need to enter a code that's been sent to your email to verify your account. If you already have an account, then instead of sign up, choose login from the menu, then log in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, choose video from the blue taskbar and then choose video from create video. Once you click on video, you get a huge list of video templates. Some are free and some are for pro members. Here I'm going to create the intro you just saw in the beginning of this video. So I'm going to apply some filters based on YouTube theme and free. You could also filter by style and color. I'm leaving those open so I get more templates to choose from. Once you click on a template, it appears on the edit page. Each element will be inside a rectangle box. So you can customize these elements or you can simply delete them. You can also add more elements to your template. For that, click the plus button on the edit screen and select elements from the taskbar at the very bottom. You can either use keywords to search, also apply filters to your keywords based on color, orientation, and animation, or simply click on the categories listed under the search bar to look for the perfect graphic for your theme. You can select each element box and get creative. Here I am changing the color of one section from red to off-white. Next, I am customizing the text element. For that, click on the element and then select the text that is inside the box and type in the text that you want for your intro. The text format will be the same as the original element. However, you can change this format by changing the font style, size, color, etc. from the edit bar. And also you can change the line spacing between the letters and the text. Also, you can resize each text element by dragging the corners of the box. You could also add other elements to your text. Here, for example, I'm adding a line between the two text elements. For that, go to the elements and choose line. You can change the color, size, and thickness of the line from the edit screen. Also, you can animate your text. Here I'm giving the typewriter style. You can choose each text element separately and give different animation to it. You can also give animation to any element on your layout. Now, if you want to add logo to your design, you can upload it from your device to Canva library. For that, instead of going to elements, go to uploads and select upload from media. Select the media where you want to upload from. Here I have it in my device in the photo library. So choose all the picture that you want to upload to Canva library. Once the upload is complete, you can use it whenever you want. You can go to uploads and choose the image you want to use. The image will appear on the design template. You can move this across the template and place it wherever you want. You can resize it. Here I'm changing the transparency to make it look like watermark. You can also apply other edit options. Next, I'm going to add animated graphic to add a little bit more movement to my design. For that, click add and select elements. You can either search by keywords and apply animation filter to it, or you can go to gradients the gradient tab, which is right under the search bar, and look for the image that you want to use. You can apply filters based on color, orientation, and animation here. Once you click on the image, it will appear on your design layout. So we are done with the first frame here. Let's move on to the second frame. You can change the duration of the frame by clicking and dragging the sidebar from the timeline. Also, you can add another frame by clicking the plus sign next to the design frame in the taskbar. In the second frame, I'm going to write something about the channel. So you click and select the second frame from the timeline and then click the purple add button and choose text. You can scroll up and down to see different styles of text and choose the one that you like. Once you click on the tag that you liked, it's going to appear on the frame that you chose. Here you can make further changes. You can customize it according to your style and theme. You can change the font, you can change the style, you can add effects and animation to it, you can change the transparency, you can change the line spacing, you can add a lot of edits that is available on your screen. Now I'm going to add logo and a couple of other elements to this page. For the logo, go to Uploads and choose the one that you already uploaded. And for the other elements, I'm going to search it using the keyword YouTube and choose the one that you like. Here I'm going to choose the subscribe button and the notification. So just click on that and it appears on the page. Here I'm going to change the font to italics. Also, I am going to add animated graphic, which I used for the first frame, so it kind of looks uniform throughout. You must already be getting a hang of how to add uploads, elements, text, animated graphics, so and so to your design template. And it's just a breeze, guys. So for animated graphics, I'm going to go to Elements and choose the Gradient tab, which is right under the search bar. Or you could use the keywords to search the words that matches your theme. And also you can apply the animated filters, so it again filters down to only the animated images. Again, you can change the duration of the frame. Select the frame from the taskbar. You can click and drag the sidebars of the frame. You can see the seconds on the top so until the desired length is reached. Next, I'm going to add transition between pages. Go to video taskbar and depress the plus sign between pages, and two options pop up: pages and transition. Choose transition and choose the transition style that you like. Here I'm going to use circle vibe. Also, you can set the duration here. Now it's time for final check. Click on the video and play the video till very end. You can make changes if you are not satisfied. Otherwise, you can go ahead and add audio to your file. To add audio, click the add button and go to elements. You could either type in audio in the search bar or you can go to the audio tab. There are plenty of free track available to you. You can press the play button to listen to the track. Choose the one that you liked and it will get attached to your video. Again, you need to be careful with the copyright claims when you're using the audio. So you need to make sure you're not getting a claim after you upload the video. If you get one, you need to replace that. Now everything is set and it's time to download the video. Press the download button on the top right corner and choose download in the format suggested. Once the download is complete, click download. And this design will be saved under My Design on your Canva homepage. I personally prefer to have this saved in the photo library on my device so that it's easy for me to import the video clip to the new projects that I am working on. So for that, just click download And a view button appears on the top right corner, which is a downward facing arrow inside a circle. So click on the view button and the video start playing. So once the video start playing, you can see a download button on the bottom left corner. So click on that, a menu pops up and choose save video. You can save this to your iCloud and access it all across your devices, or you can airdrop it to a device where you want to work your project on. I hope this video has been helpful, so please support my channel, give it a thumbs up, and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss my new videos.